Good morning, everyone. I'm so sorry about our Zoom issues we had this morning. So we'll just completely start over. Today is Thursday, and we have just one more day of until the weekend. So remember later if we can get on small groups, and I'm going to ask you what day it is and how many days to the weekend. Today is Thursday, and we have one day to the weekend. So we'll start with our affirmations. Even though we said them, it was kind of crazy. So we'll say, I am kind, I am smart, and I am enough. And so what we're going to do today, what I was trying to say earlier, is we're going to talk about two different stories, and we're going to describe their internal and external characteristics. Now, I know those are really big words, so to break it down, the internal characteristics are how people are on the inside. So, are they nice? Are they mean? Are they very giving? Or look, are they kind? Are they smart? That's all on the inside. That's you on the inside. And then their external or their outside characteristics is basically what they look like. So in the book, do they have a green sweater? Do they have brown hair? Do they have brown eyes? Do they have blue eyes? Are they wearing, a banana suit? Are they wearing a clown nose? That's external. That's on the outside. That's what you see with your eyes, using your eyes, which remember is one of our five senses. So we're going to read the story called The Principal from the Black Lagoon. And I'm not going to record that on here. I'm going to post that link. So once you read it, we'll be able to answer these questions. And actually, we'll draw together. So give me just a second. Okay, so hopefully this is after the story that you're seeing this. So if you didn't read it already, go ahead and press pause and go to the YouTube link that I posted and then come back. Okay, so now that you've read it, we're going to draw together actually. So the principal from the Black Lagoon, we're going to draw that principal. And give me just a minute here. You guys are going to draw that person, that principal, like this. And I want you to talk with your parent or sibling or grandma and talk about what that principal looks like. What color are their eyes? So we'll put that right here. Eye color, hair color, and what are they wearing? So those are the questions. And you'll be able to see it, and you can press pause if you want to write this down. But what I want you to write down is not this, but their actual eye color, the actual hair color, and they're actually what they're wearing. Okay, so that's the outside. And then you're going to talk about them on the inside. So how is their heart? Was this a nice person, a mean person, a forgiving person, a scary person? So you're going to answer nice, mean, scary, or helpful. Okay, so that's your other question that you're going to write all around your principal. So let me show you that, and then you can press pause if you need to. Okay, and then, so I would say take 10 minutes to do that, or at least, let color it, and really let us know how you saw that principle. And then once you do that, you can take a 10-minute break. 10 minutes. Okay? So take a 10-minute break. And then we'll talk about the next thing. Okay, hope you guys had a good break. Before we go to our next story, I would like for you to, we're going to talk about a new word. So our first word, I hope you guys remember what we learned last week. It was one word and you had to find it also in when you were reading or in a magazine or somewhere around your house. You had to find the word the. Right? Do we remember? Hopefully so, right? So now you knew the. That was from last week. And now we need to talk about this word. Does anybody know it? If you don't know it, it says me. M-E. M-E spells me. Can you say me? Okay, hopefully you said it. So what you're going to do is you're going to write this on a new page. Open to a new page and write me. And then what I want you to do after that is write me 5 more times. Or 5 times total. So your paper should look like this. And you can press pause if you need to so you can see what it's going to look like in case you need to copy me, which is fine. Okay, so make sure you have this on a new paper. And then again, you can press pause if you need time because I'm going to move to the next thing. Okay, you guys, hopefully you're back. We just have one more thing, and I know I'm talking fast, but I'm just trying to make sure that you get this video during the morning time. So the next thing we're going to do, which is the last thing of the day, I'm going to have you pull up the YouTube video of the Hula Hoopin' Queen, which is the second one I linked, if you're looking. And the story behind her, it's one of my favorites. I really enjoy listening to it, and I really enjoy Oprah reading it to you on YouTube. So it's pretty cool that she was able to read it to you guys. And I want you to do the same thing after you read the story. I want you to draw the main character. So here's my main character from that story. And she has a hula hoop right here because she is the Hula Hoopin' Queen. So hopefully you read that. And what I want you to do again is talk about how she looks like on the outside and how she is on the inside. Is she nice? Does she love her family? Is she considerate or thoughtful? That means she's thinking of others as besides herself. She's worried about how others would think. That's being thoughtful. So let me write that down. So I'll write, what does she look like? That's her, remember that's her outside characteristics. And we're probably going to go over this tomorrow because I know that this is kind of a wide concept to grasp. So I want to make sure I can see in your faces that you understand. And this is actually this learning about the inside and the outside of the character. That's something they learn in 2nd and 3rd grade. So if you're understanding now, you're being super smart. So I'm going to be really proud of you guys if you're understanding it now. And it's okay if you don't right now because this is the first time I'm ever talking about it. We will talk about it again and probably tomorrow so that way I know, you guys got something out of this video. Since we weren't able to Zoom for whatever reason. Okay, anyway, sorry, I went off on a tangent. So you're going to put, what does she look like? But you're not going to write this. You're going to tell me. What color is her skin? What color is her hair? What color is her clothes? What color are her shoes? That type of thing. And then you're going to say, and then on the inside, we're talking about her heart. Who is she? Is she nice? Is she thoughtful? Is she mean? Is she rude? Okay, so those are some guiding